Hi! This is the very first, honestly, truly, the first sound test of the EDS 1275. I'm only gonna play the 6-string neck because I haven't tuned up the 12-string to pitch, so we're gonna play only on the 6-string neck down here. Here we go. The whole world is changing, turning around, they got me going crazy, shaking the ground, but they took a shot on the new going down, and I don't wanna let them down. I see, it feels like a party every day, you see. I was looking for something, and I didn't find it, I just wanna go and wrap my heart around you. Cause I love this sexy life. It feels like a party every day, you see. In the town where I was born lived a man who sailed the sea, and he told us about the life in the land of submarines, so we sail through the sun till we find the sea of green, and we live beneath the waves in a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. Hanging out down the street, the same old thing that we did last week. Not a thing to do, but I told you, not a thing to do. Down on the street, we're all alright. Hello, Wisconsin! Yep. Sounds fairly good, yeah. A little bit worse than I expected, maybe, but maybe my ears are tricking me. I don't know, but mostly I'm definitely happy with this. But I wish I could get the 12-string neck in tune, because I tried to before filming this video, but I failed, which is not really that surprising when I think about it, because I usually have a bit trouble with 12-string guitars, such as my acoustic 12 strings. It usually takes a long time when I have to tune those. So. But the 6-string neck sounds good, and it definitely has the sound you would expect from humbucker pickups. Yeah, so it definitely sounds good. It sounded a little bit better there. Maybe I played too hard or got the chords a little bit messed up before, I don't know. But anyway, I'm definitely, I think I'm gonna be okay with this. And I'm just gonna get it slightly fixed, if you know what I mean. And it will be really good, yeah, I think. I hope so. You said there was a good call, but never lived to me, and you don't really care about me, really do you? It goes like this, the 4th to 5th to 7th, the 9th to 5th, and then I'm kind of grateful. Hallelujah, 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 oh, 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 oh. Yeah. And before I go and end this video, I have to say that even though the way it sounds is not 100% perfect right now, and also the trouble with getting the 12-string neck in tune, I have to say that aesthetically I have no problem. The gold finish on the hardware is perfect. It has black speed knobs, which is definitely okay for this model. Black guard, as it's supposed to have. The correct inlays. Beautiful white finish all around. And the correct tuner that I wanted, which looks like this. I'm gonna turn this around and show you. Those are the tuners right there. Gold with plastic green keystones. So yeah, aesthetically 100% satisfied. Sound and playability about 90, I guess. But I'm gonna get it fixed, so it will be okay eventually. Thank ya. See you in the next video.